Hey everybody, my name is Michael McClintock, and today I would like to give you some ideas on how to play Autumn Leaves. We're going to open up on an A minor 7. I'm going to move that over to a D9. I'm going to come down to a G major 7. I'm going to move that to a C major 9. I'm going to move that to an F sharp minor 7 flat 5. To a B7. And then I like to play an E minor 6. And this is going to bring us to the second A section. And I'm going to play the chords just a little different this time. I'm going to play an A minor 7 like this. Go into a D7. Now I've got a little bit of a stretch for my G major 7. And that's going to go to C major 7. And here I'm thinking more of like a B7 sus 4 over F sharp. Going to the B7. And then just a regular E minor. Now this is going to take us into our B section. And for the B section, I like to give it a little bit more motion by playing 2 chords per measure. So we're going to come up to the F sharp minor 7 flat 5. And then I'm going to put this chord over a C. So F sharp minor 7 flat 5 over C. I'm going to come down to a B7. And then I'm going to go to a D sharp diminished. You could think of this chord as like a B7 flat 9 over D sharp. And then I'm going to do what I call a line cliche over E minor. So I've got E minor major 7, E minor 7, and an E minor 6. And now I'm going to come up to A minor 7. I'm going to play A minor 7 over E. And I'm going to come to D. And then I'm going to play a D7 flat 13 over F sharp. And that's going to take us up to G major 7. And then I'm going to play a G major 7 over D. And I'm going to come down to C major 7. And then I'm going to play a C6 9 over E. And that's going to bring us back to an F sharp minor 7 flat 5. I'm going to put that again over C. It's going to bring us back to the B7. And I'm going to use the D diminished one more time. This time we're going to go E minor, E flat 7 sharp 11, D minor 11, D flat 7 sharp 11. And then I'm going to sit on C major 7 for a whole measure. I'm going to sit on B7 for a whole measure. And I'm going to end it on an E minor 6. Like that. If this lesson's been helpful to you in any way, please consider giving me a like, subscribing to the channel, and let me know in the comments below if you have any jazz standards that you would like me to help you learn. Again, my name is Michael McClintock, and have a fantastic day.